right, here's one for the Mustang fans, and it is a beauty. Take a look at this 2023 Shelby Super Snake convertible Mustang, 17 miles. Oxford white over black. Of course, underneath the hood, 825 horsepower at the flywheel. Whipple supercharger polished on it. Of course, 5-liter V8 that is paired up with a 10-speed automatic transmission with paddle shift. So you can take a look at the front fascia. Of course, the splitter down below. This car is in the condition you'd expect it to be with 17 miles. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the engine bay, interior, trunk of it, every angle, top up, top down. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. You'll be able to see all the still pictures. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Of course, riding on the Shelby Super Snake wheels, and look at those big brakes behind there. Going to need them with this car. We'll go ahead and take a look down the passenger side. As you can see, paint shows as you'd expect. It's not full of imperfections, nicks, dings, or scratches, anything like that. Just what you'd expect with a 17-mile car. Interior, of course, black bucket seats, center console for that automatic shifter. Shelby gauge cluster up above. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. I do have pictures of the window sticker of this car when it was from Ford, so you'll be able to see Ford factory options, as well as the Shelby conversion. Just too numerous to list in this video, so I'll hit on some of the highlights of it. Other than that, it's easiest. Go ahead, take a look at the still pictures of the car, and you're going to see a bunch of the paperwork, stickers, that type of thing too, in with those still pictures. I do want to mention, since we're back here, it does have the Shelby Super Snake floor mats, as well as the regular Ford ones. And then there's the license plate frame or holder, the tuner for the tune on it. The controller is in that box, so you can have that along with the car and everything else that would come with this car new. Once again, pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Now, some of the Ford options on this car, if you look at the Ford window sticker, it does have the MagneRide dampening system. It does have the active valve performance exhaust, adaptive cruise, voice act touchscreen navigation, the Ford Safe and Smart package, and then of course the Shelby Super Snake package, which comes over $65,000 new. Seating surfaces also like new. Style bar, light bar, gotta love the looks of that on the convertibles. Of course, all your modern amenities that you're going to have on a late model car. Condition of the seats, again, new condition. All your steering wheel controls. There's your miles, 17.4. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Love the sound of these cars. And as you can see by looking at the dash, gauges, all great condition and working. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. Let's get this hood popped. I want to show you the engine bay. And I'll put the top up at the end here. We'll quick check out the condition of that too. Good look at the underside of the hood. And there's that power plant. Again, Whipple supercharged 5-liter. 825 plus horsepower at the flywheel. Optional 10-speed automatic transmission with paddle shift. Absolutely beautiful. Let me go ahead and get that top up. Let's check out the condition of this and we'll wrap up this walk around video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here it is with the top up. Also want to note that the side glass is tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as percentage of window tint you can have. Black fabric top, what you'd expect. This kind of car, model-wise, year-wise, mile-wise. Glass rear window, also tinted, rear defog. No rips, tears, holes, really any sort of wear at all. Side glass. No surprises there. Wow, what a beauty. 2023 Shelby Super Snake convertible. 17 miles. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.